Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. It's an exciting day because I get to show you another new product from Ultimate Ears. This is the WONDERBOOM 4 Bluetooth speaker, an updated compact speaker with dual drivers, 14-hour battery, rugged construction, and so much more. So let's get into it. When we open the box, the first thing we see is the speaker. We'll set that aside and come back to it. And here we have a small accessories packet. Now, the main event. My very first impression is how solid this thing feels, without being too heavy. This is honestly a great update, with bigger sound, bigger bass, and tons of great features. It's splash-proof, dust-proof, tough as nails, and it even floats. With all of that said, let's take a tour of the speaker. On the front, we have these large plus and minus symbols. These are your volume control. You can also press them both to check your battery level. On the bottom, we have a button for outdoor and podcast modes. These modes alter the EQ of the speaker to either project sound more loudly outdoors or to bring out vocal clarity for listening to voices. Next to that, we have the charge port under this protective cover. As always, remember to close this up tight before heading out on an adventure. On the back, you have a bungee that can be used to carry the speaker or secure it to something. On the top, we have the Bluetooth button, used for pairing, the play, pause, skip button, and the power button. Now, time for the peel. Nice. Now, let's power it on and get this paired up. When you power the speaker on for the first time, it will automatically enter pairing mode. After that, open the Bluetooth settings on your device and look for it in the list of available devices. Tap it, and that's it. And if you ever need to pair it to another device, just power the speaker on and press and hold the Bluetooth button. You can also pair two of these speakers together, or even use them as a stereo pair. Just long press the center button on the first speaker, wait 2 seconds, and long press the center button on the second speaker. Long press again to toggle between loud and stereo. With dual full range drivers, 2 passive radiators, 14 hours of battery, and rugged weatherproof construction, this speaker will complete any adventure, inside or outside. That's it from me today, but if you have any further questions or concerns, please reach out to our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.